Candy Palace. Thank you. Candy Palace. Hello, Candy Palace. Shaira, let's go. You say hi, what you know?
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Smile Life Philippines. It's Tuesday morning and we're going to pick up our friend.
Yeah. Already prepare decoration for Halloween decoration. Yeah, waiting. Morning. Oh, elevator waiting me with Shaira. Hi everyone, 13 floor, yes. Hi everyone, we will take video in apartment, we rent in RB, 70,000 peso for 8 days. 70,000. But it's big room, that's why I want to take video, and you can see this room. We go to airport right now, so that's why I video film a little bit only in this room. Are you okay, Shaira? No, won't sleep, I know. It's 13th floor. 13th floor. And this is room. I will show, hi, morning. I will show room now. This is balcony, big balcony. It is two rooms. You can see Arayat. One Euphoria, this is one Euphoria. Central Park Tower. On this side is already Sam City Clark. Townhouses. Before I take video from this is townhouses. This road to Clark International Airport, but we will go to another way, another road, because maybe traffic in the intersection. Close.
AC's off right up. In my room, yeah.
Big TV. One aircon, two aircon. This is one room. Connect to the balcony also. Big bed. Don't have bathtub. TV also.
Really? Finally?
And another room. Another room. Same in balcony, it's main balcony. And this with bathtub, jacuzzi have also. And big. Also TV, aircon. Okay, Shira, let's go. This kitchen, microwave, all available. Big refrigerator. No, close microwave. And this room number, we don't know room number.
M2.
M2 room, okay. Okay, need close.
Okay, so goodbye Philippines.
Next week, next 6 years or 6 months, 6 months.
That's it.
Shira, help, Shira. Right, this is 13th floor. Level M. Level M. We go to the Taipei. Already check in. Departure. Hi. Morning.
Wait, the car.
Already going to.
Already go back
Okay.
home. That's it. Goodbye
So you
Philippines.
go to the Canada now through Taipei,
Yes.
Taiwan. Alex also.
Till next time.
Okay. See you next time.
100%. We'll be back.
Okay. Bye. This is bus station also. And parking. 50 peso parking.